A Delaware man was arrested after he allegedly stole a Tesla Cybertruck. Milford resident Corey Cohee is accused of stealing the stainless steel electric pickup truck from a home in Lincoln, Delaware. Delaware state troopers responded to a report of a stolen car. The missing car was a 2024 Cybertruck with New Jersey temp tags taken from a private residence. Investigators used the Cybertruck's onboard tracking system to locate it on a dirt path not too far away. A driver was inside the car when it was located, but before troopers could approach him, he fled the area. Police say that the suspect in the Cybertruck disregarded all police signals to pull over, and he ended up leading troopers on a short chase. Soon after the chase started, Cohee just gave up and was taken into custody. The 41-year-old was charged with felony theft of a motor vehicle.